Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our sixth video in Python data manipulating or Python data science. In the last video we have covered NumPy concatenation, and in this video we are going to cover NumPy array arithmetic. And basically with NumPy arrays we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, we can divide arrays. Okay, now I'm going to make a new Python file. I call it Numpy Arithmetic. Now I'm importing Numpy as NP. After that, I'm going to make an array NP dot array in the range of 5. Okay. Now if I print and x, you can see that we have from 0 to 4 array. Now we are going to perform some arithmetic operations on this array. First of all, I print my original array, NumPy array, x is and x. Okay. Now I'm going to I'm going to apply addition on this array. X plus I want to add 6. Okay. Now you can simply write x plus 6. Okay. Now if I run this, you can see that this is our original, but this is our divided NumPy array. Okay. 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 plus 4 is 10. Now I'm going to perform minus x minus 6 x minus 6. If I print this, you can see that now I have minus. Also I can multiply this, x multiply by 6, x multiply 6. Now if I run this, you can see that we have multiplication, array multiplication. After that you can divide, x divide 6, x divide 6. Now if I run this again, you can see that we have in here the division or division result, and also you can perform some other, like for example, you want to floor division, you want to perform floor division. For this you can simply write print x plus x6, and now if I run this, this is our floor division. If you want to perform the negation, for this you can simply write print x, write minus x and minus x. Okay. Now if I run this, you can see that we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4, like this. And also if you want to perform exponential operation, you can do print x, and for example I write 6 and 6. Now if I print this, you can see that we have the exponentiation. Also you can perform modulus. For example, print x modulus 2 6, I write x modulus 6. Now if I run this, you can see that we have the modulus. Okay, thank you guys. This was our Numpy arithmetic. If you have any question, please let me know, and also for the further videos, please subscribe the channel and also like my videos.